the following people are present for your hearing. Kim Rice with the Anderson County Sheriff's Office, Caitlin Murphy, Amber C. Wright, Annette C. Wright, Penny Martin, Brandy Murphy, Mamie Strickland, and the news media is present. Now, I've asked them, and I'll ask you not to address each other. I'll give you a chance, if you wish, to make a statement to the court. Now, you have a charge for murder. This does carry up to life in jail if you plead guilty or if you're found guilty. And you have an initial appearance of August 9th at 9 a.m., and that's at the Anderson County Courthouse. You are required to appear at all your hearings. If you miss those hearings, they can issue a general sessions warrant. If you're picked up on that, you will be held into your trial. Now, you have the right to have an attorney present. If you can't afford one, you can request the public defender's office represent you. You also have the right to enter a not guilty plea and request a jury trial. And finally, within the next 10 days, you have the right to request a preliminary hearing. That's a hearing before a judge who would hear the state's evidence to determine.
I'm going on, man.
All right, well, hold on a second. To determine whether or not they have sufficient evidence to issue the warrant to begin with. Now, to request that, it has to be done by you in writing within the next 10 days. And one of the forms you'll be given when we're done is that form. You'll need to turn it into the detention center within 10 days if you want that hearing. Do you understand about the preliminary hearing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hold on just a second. I'll give you a chance to make a statement in a minute. All right. Anyone present wish to make a statement on anything you want me to know? All right. Go ahead.
I just want to know why would I mean, you know, he said he'd come for a bond, get out of jail. Right there. We want to know why he killed him.
Okay. You just have to talk again. I understand.
You said something?
Okay. Anything else? Mr. Woods, this hearing is being recorded. It can be used later against you in court, but do you have any statement you want to make to the court at this time?
Yes, sir. When the police asked for my brass knuckles, when I gave them to him, the way I see them now, and that wasn't the way I gave them to him, sir. That wasn't the way I gave it to him. I gave it to him. I said just to have plain brass knuckles. Now I see the brass knuckles. They got some kind of nails or something on it. I don't know nothing about that, man.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? When he asked for them, I reached in my pocket and I gave him a set of brass knuckles that didn't have nothing on them. I don't know where that nail come from or none of that. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, all I had was a set of brass knuckles in my hand. How everything else happened, I do not know.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to order that you have no contact with any of the victim's family prior to this case being disposed of. If you violate that bond condition in any way, any bond you have can be revoked, as well as you can face additional charges. Do you understand that bond condition?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this is a charge of murder. As a magistrate judge, I'm not allowed to set bond. You're going to have to sit at the detention center where you'll be held until a circuit court judge, you appear before them to set bond. Any questions?
Yes, I know I'm pretty sure I get to see my lawyer way before I go anywhere, right? And when I get to be a part of one.
You'd have to request that. At the jail will show you how to request a public defender.
Yeah, because I want to see him way before I get in there now.
Yeah, it'll be a little while before that hearing is set up. So, all right.
But the man still come back before out here to see me. This is a murder charge. This ain't no playing charge. So I would like to have a lawyer at all times, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm granted that, right?
I've given you that right.
Granted that, right?
I've given you that right.
That's
yes,
what
sir.
I want.
Okay.
I want to be able to see him as soon as I can. You know what I mean?
All right, that's going to be... Mr. Wood, you're going to have to listen. Mr. Wood, you're going to have to listen, okay? I've told you that the detention center will show you how to request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Then you can talk to your attorney about meetings, okay?
And that should be way before I come and see you, right? Or wherever I go see you.
It'll be another judge. That's correct. They'll get in contact with you before that date. All right, any other questions about anything I've gone over? All right, thank you, sir. All right, any questions?